Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my channel. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Today I wanted to talk about the Panasonic GH6. So obviously the GH5 came out a few years back. It's a fantastic micro four thirds camera with a lot of really great features, especially for the video user. Now of course there's rumors of a Panasonic GH6 coming out. And basically the setup for this is that it's going to have a lot of really awesome features in it, including a 41 megapixel Sony sensor. Now this sensor will allow for RAW, 4K, 6K, and then in certain models there may be an additional model that will support 8K video. It's also supposed to have longer battery life, new in-body stabilization setup, a faster new generation autofocus system, and the plan is that it will be announced sometime between August and September and released in early 2021. Now, this camera would be pretty amazing depending on exactly where they put the price point, and it'll be a great competitor to like the Canon EOS R5. Now that is also supposed to have 8K. All the specs have been released on that. A little bit ago I did a video basically saying that I'm not going to buy the R5, but doing a little bit more research, I'm actually interested in checking out the EOS R and then possibly seeing what the EOS R5 looks like. What I really do miss the most after playing around with a lot of the Panasonic cameras is the color science in the Canon cameras. Also, the dual pixel autofocus of Canon is just really unbeatable. Nothing really compares to it. Sony's kind of on par in some of the really higher end model cameras, but nowhere near what Canon has going on. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, and leave some comments down below. We'll talk about it, see if you're interested in the GH6, whether or not you think it's a good upgrade to, from the GH5, and whether or not it'll be a good competitor for the EOS R5. We'll talk about it, and I'll see you on the next one.